So this is your enter, left, right, and back. These are the stuff you can use to reset the maintenance light. So what you're gonna do first is turn on the power 2 times. So the gauge in the dash will light up. After that, you can use the pad. So right now, just push back, go to the right where setting is, then go down into schedule maintenance, push enter, go up and push enter, and that's one step already. Now you go back, go down, push enter, go up, push enter, and that's it. Now you push back until you get to this screen and just push to the left or the right, whatever you want to go to your normal setting, and that's it.